Okay, everybody, as you're doing some of this homework from 5.1, 5.2, and 5.30, you're going to find that there's going to be some z-values that go out to 3 decimal places, and both your tables and the StatTrak site don't give you as accurate a value as they want for the answer in these. So we're going to use Excel to get more accurate values, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So in this problem, it says assume the readings at freezing on a batch of thermometers are normally distributed. And let me move this over so you can read the rest. With a mean of 0 degrees centigrade and a standard deviation of 1 degree, a single thermometer is randomly selected and tested. Find the probability of obtaining a reading greater than 2.777 degrees. All right, so this is our standard normal distribution. Since it tells us it's normally distributed and the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. And remember, that is the characteristic of the standard normal distribution, a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Now, normally when we look things up on the chart, we're looking for z-values that are less than 2.777. So we're going to have to do a little bit of extra work here to get greater than 2.777. But let's look up 2.777 using Excel to get a more accurate probability. So I'm just going to go to Excel. And here's how we do that. All right, so we're just going to say equal, and the command that we're going to put in the box is norm.s.dist, normal standard distribution. And it calls for the z-value, which was 2.777 as I recall. Let me go back just to be sure. Yeah, 2.777. And the second thing we need to put is just true, and then close those parentheses. And it tells us that that is 0.997257. Now, since we wanted greater than instead of less than, this is the area to the left of 2.777 on the standard normal curve, or the probability of less than 2.777. To get greater than, all we do is subtract this value from 1. And so we'll do that in our calculator. We get 0.002743, and this is what we can put into our MyOpenLab or MyOpenMath and get they want it, let's see, accurate to 4 decimal places. So let's see, that's going to be 0.0027. And hit submit, and we'll get the values that they actually want accurate to the amount that they want. So if you use Excel for these, you're going to get nice accurate values the way they want them to be in the homework.